I am reading article, but just before I am reading article headlines. Okay, then after article reading, manufacturing outpaces services growth in April. Okay, start article. Prices of regular petrol and diesel state-run OMCs have increased the prices of premium diesel and petrol, which amount for 4% of total fuel sales, along with the rate of industrial diesel, which is purchased in bulk by industries and the agriculture sector. Although OMC are currently facing losing or under recovering, they also profited when global crude prices were largely subdued in the past couple of years, and retail fuel prices remained largely stagnant for most of FY 26. Crude prices remained subdued in the range of 60 to $70 per barrel, and retail fuel prices were unchanged, leading leading to significant profits for these OMC as their combined net profit in the first half of FY 26 was over 34,000 crore in the first half of FY 25, given that India imports 90% of its oil requirement. A surge in oil prices plays a key role in the current account deficit. An increase of $1 per barrel leads to an annual increase of around 16,000 crore in the country. Import bill in FY 26, India's oil import bill stood at $137 billion. The continued blockage of the Strait of Hormuz by Iran, along with the naval blockage for Iranian ports by the US Navy, has further constricted in global energy supplies throughout the key channel, which traditionally had been a supply route for 20% of global oil and gas. After losing some momentum in March due to the West Asia conflict, growth across India's private sector expanded at a faster pace at the start of the new fiscal year in April. Early survey data indicated a quicker upturn for manufacturing than services providers, although growth picked up a pace in both cases. There were faster increases in new orders and output, alongside a revival in job creation and a rebound in business confidence in April, according to HSBC Plus India Purchasing Manager Index PMI released on Thursday. The Place survey, an advanced estimate ahead of final PMI readings, provides an early indication of shifts in economic sentiment and output. The final data for April will be released early next month. The HSBC Plus India Composite PMI output index, compiled by S&P Global and covering both manufacturing and services, rose to 58.3% in April from 57.00 in March, signaling stronger private sector comfortably above the 50 point. There sold that separates expansion from construction. The HSBC plus India Manufacturing PMI output index advanced to to 59.1 in April from 55 in 7 in March, signaling April HSBC Flash India Composite PMI rose rose to 58.3 in April, improved momentum in factory production. The HSBC Plus India Surveys PMI Business Activity Index rose to 57.9 in April from 57.5 in March, reflecting steady demand and business confidence. The broader HSBC Plus India Manufacturing PMI rose to 55.9 from 53.9, marking the strongest improvement in operating conditions since last of October. Aggregate activity and new orders in India's private sector expanded at quicker rates at the start of this fiscal year after growth receded in March due to the Middle East war. Inflation rates were historical elevated but retreated from those registered last month due to a cool down लिखा है सर in the service sector. Manufacturing led the resurgence with notable rebound in rates of increased for output and sales, but price pressure intensified here. It added for an extended version of this story. This is story. Go to livemint.com. Okay, guys, my reading. Sorry, my article completed. Then thanks everyone, and thanks God, and thanks another person. Thanks nature and universal. ओके बाय, राधे राधे। फिर नेक्स्ट हमारा मिलेगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, नेक्स्ट हमारा आर्टिकल जो मिलेगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, वही टुमारो या और इवनिंग। ओके राइट, बाय, राधे राधे।